What are you doing? Are you playing on the computer? What are you doing? You couldn't wait to get your hands on that, could ya? Pretty big hot shot for 8 months, huh?
Somewhere in outer space, God has prepared a place for those who trust Him and obey. Jesus will come again, although we don't know when. The countdown's getting lower every day. 10 and 9, 8 and 7, 6 and 5 and 4. Call upon the Savior while you may. 3 and 2 coming through the clouds in bright array. The countdown's getting lower every day. I am a C. I am a CH. I am a CHRISTIAN. And I have CHRIST and my HEART and I will LIBEETRNALOY.
Very nice.
No, I was sick.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Yeah. Say,
I think he's all singing.
Hi, Grandma.
here we are at the nursing home, and Caleb's tugging on the camera cord. Do you have any stories you want to tell me today? I'll videotape you. I got that other one on videotape, you know.
Wow.
Next time.
Next time. She's camera shy today, people. And it's 5 to 12. Jedediah Todd, please stop. It's 5 to 12, even though this says 12:55. We must not have put it back an hour, but we'll just leave it because we're going to be putting it forward pretty soon. Say good.
Putting it in his mouth.
Yucky. Say goodbye.
So be careful that you don't hurt him.
Get off of him, please.
Anyone know where the remote is?
And there he's moving around forward.
And a great big welcome back.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
For nearly 40
I'm gonna be changing.
What are you doing?
Oh, we can't take a video.
My big bed's bad.
Why do you got a big boy's bed? Why do you have a big boy's bed?
I'm gonna do that up.
But what did you do that you got a big boy's bed?
What do you wear now?
Underwear. He did. I do good ears too. Puppy ears.
Rebecca's sleeping.
Well, Look at Caleb.
Everybody is.
Watch you.
If you got, don't slam your head. Jedediah, if you hit your head on this or this, it'll really hurt.
It'll
You gotta be
really hurt.
careful. Okay, and just lay down slowly. Okay, take
Okay,
the
let's
video
go.
of Andrew changing.
Where'd you guys go tonight?
To the Passion Play
Where?
at New Covenant.
How was it?
Excellent.
Good.
We're
Who
going to
took
get a
you?
video.
Who took you?
Trace down.
See, and now we'll remember this.
We saw tons of people.
Look at the camera hog. He knows.
I bet he'd like to.
Joshua.
Caleb, look at the camera. The only
Caleb.
two that were in the play I saw after the play were Adam and Emily Brockett.
Say hi to Mama.
Those were the I saw Hannah and No.
He just said hi. Say hi.
That I.
Say hi.
It's that high.
Big boy.
It's that high.
What are you doing? You're a little camera hog. doing? What? Somebody trashed that bookshelf again. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Gymnastics. Good job, Josiah.
Look at your daughter. You better be careful. Hey, no more of that. Excuse me, Gina.
Where's the apple? No. Oh, my hair.
All right, Gina. Today we're going to take the Cat 5 test. This is your answer sheet.
Could you smile to us? There's the kids. I haven't taken videos of you in about a month, I don't
Right,
think.
because we take videos of ourselves with the kids. Okay. And Mom.
Hi, Smiley. Todd,
Let me get this up.
you should see him hamming it up here.
And me and Gina have new bubbles for a bubble bath,
Uh-huh.
new lotion, new shampoo, and new conditioner from Joelle.
Who do you love? Joelle?
Joelle and Gina. And Gina.
Say it again. Start all over. Pardon me.
Never mind, I can't name all of them. You guys. Oh, just everybody in the whole
You have apple on your nose.
Just everybody in the whole world. Except,
Yay!
may I please have this, Mom? Mom, may I please have this?
The younger group, grade kindergarten through 4.
Thank you.
before we start every course, I don't know if you call it rehearsal, practice, whatever, with a prayer. And before we leave, we sing a prayer. We pick one song and everybody do that same prayer. This is the prayer that the older group picked. They won't be doing it in June, so they want to do it for you tonight. This is their last song.
What were you saying?
Mom? He knows the camera. Mom? Like all of us kids do. Mommy?
Yes.
If I don't feel better, can I just sit out on the porch?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to get out.
Here I am.
You're a little ham. Yeah, you are. I would have felt that little feeling.
What are you guys doing?
Playing.
Who's playing?
Kimberly.
Oh, you say, Cheese, say, Caleb, can you say bye-bye? Big boy, say mama. He learned how to say bye-bye today. Bye-bye. Say dada. What can you say hello, mama? What do you always tell me? You what?
I love you, I like you.
You love me and you like me? I love you and I like you too.
And I come up to you. Cheese!
Cheese. Careful with his hat, okay?
I like my brother.
I know you do. Who gave us him? Who sent him from heaven?
Jesus.
Because he loved us and he said, he says, I have a special boy for you. And his name will be Caleb.
But he's Jesus and he's not really he's good and he won't hold us.
He's good. He's as good as
He
he loves us, doesn't he?
He likes us.
What did Jesus do for us when he loved us so much? He gave you to me? Mm-hmm.
Gave us to you, right?
Look at him trying to get that toy. What are you doing?
What toy?
What are you doing?
Where's that again? What's that again?
Caleb, is 1 + 2 8? Is 1 + 2 8?
He said no.
Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Are you stuck? Do you need help? Say help. You gotta learn how to crawl frontward.
I'm a little boy. Are you sure? Are you sure? Don't tell anyone else. Oh, I didn't want to take any chances. That's mistletoe. And when you hold it over somebody's head, you can kiss them. Oh, Dad, can you have that toe? You guys, poor thing, you're squishing it.
Turn Caleb this way so we can see him.
He's not gonna
Caleb is glad to be home from retreat with his siblings. He's like a new kid.
We were all in
We went-
Angina's for the 2 days.
And we went out to Holiday Valley for Youth Workers Rejuvenation.
Rejuvenation, that's
Sing the countdown song quick and then you gotta go to bed. Jedediah, sit next to Caleb and look at me.
Getting lower every day. 10, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 5, and 4. Call upon the Savior while you may.
He's in his own.
Every day.
Back up.
Let me tell you something I'm really proud of. And Mom,
Watch him, Todd. Todd, watch Jedediah.
Oh, my first French. Yeah! And Caleb's like a new kid. Yeah! Mama, he's a big kid
Look
now.
at him.
You gotta be careful, you can fall.
Isn't that something, Todd? That I remember when my brothers used to be away, I used to cry.
They all had each other, but he
Mama!
Caleb didn't want to be an only child. Caleb didn't want to be an only child.
He's like,
Okay. You're blocking the baby, though.